Hey guys, thanks for joining me. My name is Marlo from out of Las Vegas. Before we get started with this demonstration video on how to remove sticker residue from a window, I just want to give you a backstory on why I'm creating this video. So years ago, I got one of those tow away stickers on the side of my window from my HOA, and I was in my garage and I tried just about every solution you can think of on how to remove that residue, and nothing worked. And I just randomly I tried everything: WD-40, Goo Gone, alcohol, peroxide, coconut oil, dish soap. None of it worked. I fell upon this random spray in my garage and I sprayed the residue. And I used this, I know you're seeing a lot of videos on razor blades, but I like to use a water bottle cap or a Coca-Cola bottle cap. And you're going to use this to scrape the residue. I'll get started with the demonstration video. But yeah, if you can't find the solution at a department store like Walmart or AutoZone, I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can find it. But let's get started with this solution. All right, guys, so I'm here on my vehicle. Here's the sticky residue, and it's real thin, and that's even harder to get off than the regular tow away sticker. But I have my windshield replaced, and the guy left some sticky residue, and it's very hard to get off. So I know the hack. So here we go. Here's the bottle. It's by Meguiar's. It's a carpet and cloth refresher. It's not even made to clean stickers from windshields, but I'm telling you, I've tried everything and I just got lucky and fell upon this. So you're just gonna squirt it. Not that much. And you're going to take this cap from a water bottle or Coke bottle, any type of little cap, and you're gonna go in small strokes. And what's cool about this, you don't even gotta apply that much pressure. Right. Don't go in long strokes. It's not gonna work that way. Just gonna go in small strokes. As you can see, it's going away. It's just small pressure. Like I said, I've tried Goo Gone, all that. This stuff doesn't work. This stuff works. So I'm not gonna talk. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna give it one more squirt. I'm using my left hand instead of my right hand because I'm filming. And the goal is you do short strokes. Here, show you. There you go. I want to do that other rest so you can see. A little squirt. It's a wrap, guys. It's all gone. That's it. That's the secret hack.